Make money at home. 6 legitimate ways to make money online. Only for teenagers. If you're wondering how you can earn money online as a teenager, let me tell you this. Not all online jobs are created equal. Jobs for teenagers no longer begin and end with bagging groceries, cutting grass, and babysitting. In 2022, it's easier than ever to earn money online without leaving the comfort of your home, or even your room. Whether you want to make money online by starting a business, a side hustle for extra cash, or pursuing an early career in freelancing, your options are plentiful. So, what are the very best online jobs for teens right now? Let's jump in. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 6 legitimate ways to make money online as a teenager. If you want to get rich, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we teach all the money-making methods. And let's get started. Do creative jobs on Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular freelancing platform that allows you to make money by offering many different services. The minimum age to sign up is 13 years old, making it an excellent opportunity for teens, and there's no end to the kinds of services you can offer on Fiverr. So it really comes down to finding what you're good at and what others need help with. Because there are so many possibilities, you can take advantage of the skills you already have, regardless of what they are. Some examples of services that might make for a good teen job include design graphics for social media, help entrepreneurs and small businesses with social media marketing, edit videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, write or record music, or edit photos. So Fiverr is ideal for teens because it can easily be a part-time job that gives you full control over your schedule. Each gig has a turnaround time listed, which you get to set. That means you can set your delivery times to fit into your schedule, and you can adjust them as needed. You can also pause gigs when you're busy, so customers won't be able to order unless you are able to complete the job. Be a Twitch streamer. What could be better than making money by playing video games? Twitch is a streaming platform known mostly for gaming-related content, but the site now covers much more than just games. Art is also a popular topic on Twitch, and they also have a category called Just Chatting that includes conversational content, including streams that resemble a talk show or podcast. The minimum age to create a Twitch profile is 13 years old, so it's another legit option for teens who want to make money. However, it's important to note that you'll need a parent or guardian who is willing to agree to Twitch's terms of service. Of course, you can stream content whenever you are available, so it can easily work around your existing schedule. If you have serious skills with a particular game, or if you are able to create a channel that's memorable and different, Twitch offers significant earning potential. Moreover, building a following on Twitch will take time, so you'll need to have some patience and put in a lot of work before it pays off. However, you don't need millions of followers to have success, and there are many different ways you can make money once you've built your audience, which include ads within your streamed content, affiliate marketing, promoting products or services sold by other companies, sponsorships and brand partnerships, subscriptions, and donations. Make content for TikTok and Snapchat. Another fun option for teens who want to make money is to focus on platforms like TikTok and Snapchat. The age requirement to create an account on each platform is 13 years old. Both of these popular apps allow you to make money by creating entertaining video content. There are some ways to make money directly from TikTok and Snapchat, and there are also ways to make money indirectly as a result of your following and influence. Chances are you are already using social networks and taking videos with your smartphone, so why not make some money from it? Some ways you can make money on TikTok and Snapchat include the TikTok Creator Fund, a TikTok-owned method of compensating certain users for content. TikTok Coins, in-app currency that can be used to tip a creator like yourself. Snapchat Spotlight, earn money from Snapchat for creating viral videos. Sponsorships, partner with brands looking to reach your audience. So this is a money-making opportunity that will be appealing to many teens who are already using these platforms. However, growing a following and becoming an influencer will require some effort, but many have been able to achieve success relatively quickly. Sell lessons about your hobbies on Teachable. Teachable is a platform for selling online courses. If you're between the ages of 13 and 17 years old, you can use Teachable with your parent or guardian's permission. Teachable makes it easy to create your own course or lesson on any topic of your choice. They process payments from customers and then pay you what you've earned, minus some small fees. Your course at Teachable can be priced as low as 99 cents, so it's not necessarily to create an in-depth high-end course. You could create a low-priced course that teaches something very specific. The key to success with an online course is to think about what you know really well that you could teach others. Consider hobbies that you're really good at. Many people are willing to spend money on their hobbies, so your skills or expertise could be very valuable. Examples of lessons or courses you could offer include how to play a specific song on a guitar or drums, how to master a game or video game, how to build a following on social media, martial arts, and drawing or painting. So, creating an online course is a good option for teens because you can tailor your course to your own interests and your unique knowledge or expertise. It's also highly flexible. Another benefit that may be appealing is the ability to start building a long-term business. You could start with a simple course now, and you may ultimately decide to add more courses and continue to grow the business in the future. Plus, since you create the course once and keep selling the same material over and over, it's a great passive income business. Sell clothes on Poshmark and Depop. Teens who are interested in fashion and clothing may want to make money by selling clothes online. Poshmark and Depop are two popular platforms, but you can also sell on eBay and Mercery, or sell to people in your local area by using Facebook Marketplace and other sites like Craigslist. Some of these platforms will require you to be 18 or over, or to receive payments via PayPal, so you may need a parent's help with getting set up. The best way to get started and gain some experience is to sell some of your old clothes that you no longer wear. That way, you're not spending money on inventory, and you get a little experience with virtually no risk. Once you have an idea of what prices items are likely to sell for, you can look for underpriced items at thrift stores and close out sales. Of course, you don't want to overpay since you'll need to be able to sell the items for a higher price to make a profit. You'll need to look around and only buy items that you're confident are underpriced. Tutor kids via video chat. As a teen, you have the opportunity to tutor younger students who need some guidance or assistance with a particular subject. While there are many online tutoring platforms, they all require you to be 18 years old. However, that doesn't mean that no tutoring opportunities exist. Instead of using an existing platform that matches tutors with students, you can make money as a tutor by finding your own clients. You could do the tutoring in person, or use Zoom, Skype, or other video conferencing services to conduct the tutoring session virtually. Adding to this, finding clients may not be as difficult as you think. You could talk to elementary or middle school teachers, reach out to after-school programs, talk to families you know, place ads on local bulletin boards, start a Facebook page, and even create and post some videos to YouTube. So, tutoring is an outstanding opportunity for teens because you can use existing knowledge to help younger kids. You can also do the work outside of your school hours, whenever it fits into your schedule. And best of all, you can earn a better hourly rate than you might earn with some of the other options that have already been covered. In conclusion, start working on your ideas today to build something meaningful and exciting. Put your time and effort to good use, and your work will pay dividends over time as you build your online presence by finding new customers and making sales. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which money-making idea did you like the most? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.